Hi everyone, happy Independence Day to all of you. So India is celebrating 74th Independence Day today, and we at Masum also did our celebration, but not like the last year. It was a live session celebration. I've come here to talk about it. Well, there used to be a time where we used to celebrate in the school, having all the children under one roof and singing national anthem and things like that. But since Corona is here, we are not able to do that. So Independence Day celebration is the first ever celebration for this academic year, and guess what we did? We asked our kids to prepare a line or two to talk about the Independence Day. It could be the song, dance, we gave them options like that. Oh, trust me, I was looking forward to it, and to my surprise, each and every child had come up with something or the else. There were so many kids from nursery who sang the national anthem as well, which was overwhelming for me, because a nursery child singing a national anthem is tremendous. The energy in the live session was really good, and I could feel that the child is wanting to say something, which the child is prepared for. Having said all of this, I very well know there's a lot of effort that's gone from parents' side. So I would like to first thank each and every parent for putting in this effort in making their child do whatever they did today. So I know how it is for the parents. It's not an easy task. You've been facing this kind of situation from very long time now, because the schools are shut and there's only a live session or the virtual learning that's happening, and all the burden of teaching the child has gone to the parent, especially the mothers, because you are the ones who are playing the teacher's role in your child's life. There is a very famous saying in Kannada, I would like to mention it now in this video, which goes this way: Taiye Maguvina Modala Guru. Rather, you can modify it and say Tande Taiye Maguvina Modala Guru. I think you parents play a vital role in teaching all that we send through virtual learning. So hats off to you for taking out time, because I know for a fact that most of you parents are working from home, and most of you are from IT sector. So how is it working from home? I can really understand, but thanks to all of you. I'm going to give you a silent clap here. Thanks to all of you for putting in that effort. It truly shows in the live sessions, and you also sit along with your child to ensure the child listens to us carefully. So hats off to all. I'm going to post a video of the child's activity which is done today on our Facebook page, that is Masum Facebook page, and I want each one of you parent to appreciate, even though if you are not a part of virtual learning, but please appreciate each child's effort. That's when the child feels appreciated, and it's very important for us to do that. Thank you so much. That is all I wanted to tell today. Happy Independence Day to all of you, and happy weekend. Thank you.